Why does your stomach make noises when you're hungry? The stomach is essentially a long flesh tube. It's moving food by force by essentially kneading it through. When you are hungry, it still does this motion, but there may be more air bubbles trapped. So it forces them through, and just like how a fart is made, it rumbles and gurgles the skin, making noise. My favorite thing about it is its name, Borborygmus. It's so onomatopoeic. It's an extremely obscure reference to something controversial that happened in a competitive Magic: The Gathering tournament about 10 years ago. In the game, there's a card named Pithing Needle that lets you name another card name and turn off activated abilities from that card. There's also a card named Borborygmos and a different card named Borborygmos Enraged. In the tournament, a player played a Pithing Needle with the clear intention of naming the card Borborygmos Enraged, which was a key part of his opponent's deck. However, when he named the card, he just said Borborygmos, not realizing there was a different card with that name. The tournament judge ended up ruling that that was the card he named, and he ended up losing the game to the Borborygmos Enraged from his opponent's deck. It's just peristalsis, the muscles in your entire gastrointestinal tract contract to pass food, air and other stuff. I wasn't sure why the noise is only heard when hungry, but I searched it up, and apparently it's because the food in your stomach like provide an insulation layer, so the sound, but when there's no food the sound can be heard. For the same reason that an acoustic guitar has a good space in it. The sound box allows for the air to bounce around and make louder sounds. Your stomach is the same when empty. It's also making those noises all the time. You only notice when it's empty or loud. It doesn't. It makes noises during digestion. If you typically eat around the same time, but then a meal is late, the grumbling stomach is because your body is trying to initiate digestion. Then you realize you haven't eaten because you can feel how empty your digestive tract is, and then you eat.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next exciting video.